Plant-Based Patisserie Certificate is a new program from Le Cordon Bleu. The program will be delivered completely online, where students can view demonstrations, they can use their home kitchens for practical applications, they will be able to view and review the demonstrations over again, and it's an exciting program where students will get the knowledge on traditional patisserie products which are being reinvented from the classical patisserie to a plant-based alternatives. Plant-based patisserie is quite a new concept where we are going to be teaching students how to substitute ingredients such as animal fats, eggs, and introduce new processes in where they can design new patisserie products. We have decided to create a program which adds a professional element in how students can create plant-based dishes. There will be a requirement for assessments, they will be supported through workshops from the chefs, they will interact with other students and their peers online, and they will also have the opportunity to gain direct feedback from the chefs. There is a huge demand in the industry right now for designing new products in product development within the industry, opening up their own businesses. This particular program will allow students to have very in-depth knowledge on what plant-based patisserie is really all about.